And this is the new project for Projx. Here we have a Suzuki Swift. Quite a nice looking car. Smells okay inside. But it's got some rear damage, which is consisting of the boot is damaged, and so is that. There, nice. So it's just rear bumper. Clips are all going to come off. Take this off, take that off, and then we can get in the back here. Under here is crumple damage there. Hopefully we should be able to pull this out with the new tool I've bought, which should be here next week. So yeah, that's the new project. So I'm going to start by taking these lights off. These are cracked. May be able to repair it. I'm not 100% sure yet, but we're going to have a go. I am going to attempt to repair the bumper, because a lot of that is just bend, apart from this split here, which I think I'll be able to repair by using the techniques I've seen on YouTube. So yeah, so the first job, I think we're going to go ahead with removing the rest of this bumper, and then we'll see what damage we got underneath. Okay, so we've removed the bumper, and what it seems to have done is obviously dented all of this area here, which is where the tyre goes, and this is a crash bar that's gone into the tyre, which is rubbing. So what I'll do is I'll try and attempt to bend that back out, and then maybe remove it. That I think I'll have to replace because of the big nice dent there. And then I'll get my puller and pull that. Well, it's not a puller, it's an adjustable that goes in the boot of the car and then pushes the dent out, but it actually isn't too bad. So apart from replacing that crash bar and pulling this area out, should be alright. It's not as bad as we first thought. So yeah, first job I will do is use a crowbar and pull this back out from the wheel as best I can, because it is obviously quite a strong metal bar. As far as the bumper's concerned, I'll heat it up and just pop those dents out of there. Obviously being plastic, I think they'd be hard to do. Then refix this back up here so that that can be fitted properly, and then repair the crack that was just here with Bondo and some webbing to hold that into place, and that should pop back in, hold into place, and then any of these other cracks we can fill and get right. But yeah, be nice to charge it all up, get it running. I mean, it does run because it came off the thing and I managed to obviously get it in here, but that was definitely rubbing up against the tyre, pushed in, so may have to just try and remove it for now and then order a new one. But yeah, it's looking good. So I'll remove the rear lights now, and that will give me a good indication of some clear access to the car. So yeah, that's the next job.